In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add bullet points to a Webflow project seamlessly. The first item on our agenda is to kickstart the list inserting process. To do this, you need to navigate to the Add Elements button, which is represented by a plus sign symbol. You can easily find this on your left sidebar. If you are one for shortcuts, simply pressing A on your keyboard will spur the same action. Now that we have the Add Elements panel open, your next task is to track down the feature called the List element. This, you'll find, is hiding under a section labeled Basic. Once you've spotted List element, make use of your mouse or trackpad to click, hold, and drag it onto your workspace. Aim to drop it exactly where you want your list to make its appearance. At this stage, we should take a moment to clarify an important default setting in Webflow. Typically, when you introduce a list element to your canvas, Webflow assumes you want to create an unordered or bulleted list. So that's exactly what it gives you. But what if you'd prefer otherwise? Well, in case you want to mix things up, take heart in knowing you can transform your unordered list into an ordered one. This is accomplished by selecting the main list element, then making your way to the Settings panel and selecting the Unordered feature. It's pretty self-explanatory once you find your way to this panel. In the final move towards building your list, you need to begin populating it with content, or, as we appropriately call it, list items. Go ahead and click within your freshly minted list. This will allow you to start typing your first element of the list. You can continue to add other elements by simply typing and hitting the Enter key. Once you've filled out your list, be sure to browse through your work, making sure it fits into the grand scheme of your design and conveys the right message. Congratulations, you now know how to add bullet points in Webflow. Hopefully, this tutorial has empowered you to seamlessly incorporate bulleted lists into your Webflow creations. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow, feature-detailed Webflow tutorials.